What if your lawn mower could map your entire yard, avoid obstacles, climb steep slopes, and keep mowing without you ever installing perimeter wires? Today we're reviewing the Mammotion LUBA 3 AWD 3000H, a premium robotic lawn mower designed for properties up to 0.75 acres, with 360-degree LiDAR, NetRTK Positioning, AI Vision, all-wheel drive, and multi-zone management. But with advanced navigation and a premium price, is this robot mower actually worth it? Let's find out. The LUBA 3 AWD 3000H is designed for homeowners who want automated lawn care without the hassle of traditional boundary wire installation. This H version is designed for taller cutting, with an adjustable cutting height from 2.2 to 4.0 inches, making it particularly interesting for rougher lawns and thicker grass. Its all-wheel drive system is built to handle slopes of up to 80%, or approximately 38.6 degrees, while the mower can manage multiple separate lawn areas through the app. The biggest technology upgrade is Mammotion's Tri-Fusion navigation system. It combines 360-degree LiDAR, NetRTK Positioning, and AI camera vision to create detailed maps and navigate around the property without relying on traditional perimeter wires. The LiDAR system is especially useful around trees, shaded areas and other environments where satellite positioning can become more challenging. NetRTK correction data can be delivered through Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, reducing the need for the traditional physical RTK base station setup in supported regions. The AI vision system is designed to recognize and avoid a wide range of objects, helping the mower navigate more intelligently around obstacles. Then there's the AWD drivetrain. The deep tread wheels and all-wheel drive system are designed for uneven terrain and steep inclines where many conventional robot mowers can struggle. The 3000H is rated for up to 0.75 acres, and its cutting system provides a wide mowing path for efficient coverage. You can also create and manage up to 30 mowing zones, making the LUBA 3 interesting for properties with front yards, backyards, side lawns and other separated areas. Through the Mammotion app, you can create virtual boundaries, set schedules, choose mowing patterns, monitor progress and manage different zones remotely. In real-world testing, the LUBA 3 AWD has impressed reviewers with its ability to handle uneven terrain, obstacles, slopes and complicated lawns. PC World praised its terrain handling, battery life and quiet operation, although it also noted that the mower is heavy and that the app and connectivity aren't always perfect. Other testing found the mower capable of producing an even cut through thick grass and navigating multiple lawn areas with relatively little intervention. But there are some things to consider. The mower is large and heavy, and the app experience can have a learning curve. Some users have also reported occasional localization or connectivity quirks. And just like other robotic mowers, you'll still need to deal with areas the robot can't reach, such as extremely tight edges or certain obstacles. So, is the Mammotion LUBA 3 AWD 3000H worth buying? If you have a large, uneven or complicated lawn and want a premium robot mower that doesn't depend on traditional perimeter wires, this is one of the most technically impressive options to consider. You get 360-degree LiDAR, NetRTK, AI Vision, AWD traction, 2.2 to 4-inch cutting height, 0.75 acre capacity and 30-zone management in one system. The biggest advantages are its terrain capability, advanced navigation and high level of automation. The biggest drawbacks are the premium price, substantial weight, and occasional app connectivity issues reported by reviewers. For homeowners with steep slopes, multiple lawn areas and a desire for hands-off mowing, the LUBA 3 AWD 3000H is a seriously compelling robot mower. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of robot lawnmowers, outdoor power equipment, smart home technology and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.